Hi, what's your name?
My name is Susan and this is my husband Manish.
Manish Cherian.
Okay, and where do you stay?
We stay at Jankalyan Miraj Residency.
Okay, at Malad West itself.
Yeah, Malad West.
How old is your child?
3 years.
He is about 3 years.
Okay, so what kind of institutes were you looking at for your child?
Basically, we were looking after an institute which would have minimum students at least. And personal attention was required because we have gone to international schools and it was giving our child a very hard time, basically. So we wanted a place where he could cope up with all what he has to learn with minimum of stress. Being a child, we didn't want him to be forced into studies right now because that's what he's going to do the rest of his life.
Okay, so what are the options you considered for the same?
Same was, there were 2-3 institutes, like he was already going to rank international. So the experience was really very bad. So we had to remove him from there. And
so why did you choose Little Boomers?
there are 3 things. One, I told you, there is we wanted personal attention for our child. That was happening over here because in Ryan's there were more than 30-35 students.
There was 2 teachers and 25 kids, and as far as the kids are concerned, the teacher ratio is more than they are able to give almost equal attention to all the kids.
Okay.
And he's learning more than what he was learning over there.
And he's happy. He's very happy here.
There is no crying. There's no crying and all as such.
He's very comfortable with all the teachers. The teachers are very good. They don't pressurize him or force him to learn or study something. They tend to focus according to his mood and everything. They cope up with it, and it's always they are able to cover up everything.
Okay.
Whatever he's supposed to be learning, he's able to cover up everything. Compared to whatever is being taught in other schools also, I see that they are also doing the same thing, but at a pace in which he is able to cope up with, as well as which also does not create too much of stress to him.
Okay.
So that is one of the really good points about this school.
And the second thing being that it is very close to our house.
Okay.
So the travelling part and all that pollution and everything is minimum again.
Okay.
So we don't have to go travel for 20-25 minutes to a school. It's even walkable. People can come here if they are nearby.
Okay.
I think in this school they are just letting the kids be kids.
Yes.
They let you learn, as well as they are very playful and everything. Apart from compared to other schools where you go around, they tend to provide a lot of.
Yeah, it's only studies and studies. But over here he is doing something else also. There are some extracurricular activities. We see him learning new words. He's coming up with some new words, which even we are shocked at certain times.
Okay.
Like how come he knows this word and he's learning? So that's a good thing. What is happening over here?
At nursery level, it's really good.
Yeah, and we don't, like I told you. And the third thing being is we don't want to, make the child suffer in the name of studies. At this point, he's only 3 years. After coming into a world, we don't want him with lots of books and and all that stress is something which he doesn't have to go through at this point of time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now with your experience, could you summarize 2 good things about Little Boomers?
It's a good child-friendly school.
Okay.
And fun-loving. Basically, a child who was crying most of the time in another school, not even entering the premises, is happily coming and he's sitting there and having a good time, basically.
Okay.
He loves to come to school.
Yeah.
He loves to go to school. That's what is more important.
Okay. And do you think anything could be better with the Little Boomers?
Probably they might increase the strength of students. That would gradually do because they have just started. So it's okay. It doesn't matter anyway. So I don't think they need to improve as such.
Okay. So how likely are you to recommend Little Boomers to other parents on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is the lowest and 5 is the highest?
I would go somewhere around 4.5, and we have recommended to so many people, I think. Yeah, it's a good school, and especially from where we stay, it's walkable distance. There's so much advantages. Little Boomers is a very good school.
Okay. So, well, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.